Welcome to Knowledge Your Health. If you're a health enthusiast, then you need to start your day with our celery and green apple punch. Golden light spills through your window. It's a new day, a perfect time for a healthy start. Let's kick off this morning with a vibrant celery and green apple punch. This refreshing drink is packed with nutrients and is the perfect way to invigorate your body. Get ready to embrace a day full of energy and well-being. This punch isn't just delicious, it's incredibly good for you. We're using natural ingredients to boost your health. Celery and green apples are the stars, helping regulate your blood sugar levels. This means sustained energy throughout the morning, with no more mid-morning slumps for you. This recipe is easy to make, and you can quickly whip it up before work or school. Plus, it's a great way to get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables. So let's dive right in and discover the magic of this morning elixir. It's time to nourish your body and start your day the healthy way. Are you ready to feel fantastic? This celery and green apple punch is your ticket to a brighter morning. Let's get juicing. Celery often gets overlooked as a superfood, but it plays a key role in this punch. Celery is known to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for maintaining your energy throughout the day. Stable blood sugar means no energy crashes. Green apples are another fantastic addition. They're a good source of fiber which helps slow down sugar absorption into your bloodstream. The result, you enjoy a steady release of energy, no more sugar highs and lows. These two ingredients work in harmony to keep your energy levels balanced. This means you can say goodbye to those dreaded mid-morning energy slumps. Instead, you'll feel focused and energized all morning long. This punch is a delicious way to manage your blood sugar naturally. It's a much better alternative to sugary drinks or processed snacks, which can spike your blood sugar, leading to crashes later on. Choose natural ingredients for sustained energy and a healthier you. Let's meet the stars of our celery and green apple punch. First up, we have celery. This crunchy vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients, containing vitamins A, K, and C. Plus, it's a good source of potassium and folate. Celery adds a refreshing, slightly salty flavor to our punch. Next, we have the tangy goodness of green apples. Granny Smith apples are a great option. They're tart and crisp, balancing the celery's savory notes. Green apples are rich in antioxidants and provide a good dose of vitamin C, which supports your immune system. A squeeze of lemon brightens up the punch, adding a citrusy kick while providing a boost of vitamin C. Lemon juice also aids digestion, making it a great addition to any morning drink. Finally, a small knob of ginger adds a subtle warmth and zing. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe your stomach and reduce nausea. A little ginger goes a long way in adding flavor and health benefits. Section 4. Crafting your green elixir. Making this punch is a breeze. Start by washing and chopping 2 celery stalks. Then core and chop 1 green apple. Remember to remove the seeds. Next, peel a small knob of ginger and slice it thinly. Now it's time to juice. If you have a juicer, feed the celery, apple, and ginger through it. Collect the juice in a glass. If you don't have a juicer, no problem. Blend the ingredients with a cup of water until smooth. Then, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Stir well to combine all the flavors. And there you have it. Your celery and green apple punch is ready to enjoy. You can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste. Prefer a sweeter punch? Add half a green apple like it tangier. Add a little more lemon juice. Section 5. Sip your way to a healthier you. This celery and green apple punch is more than just a delicious drink. It's packed with health benefits. Celery is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation throughout your body. Green apples are a good source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and promotes gut health. Enjoy this punch as a mid-morning snack. It will keep your energy levels stable and prevent those cravings for unhealthy snacks. Plus, it's a refreshing and hydrating way to start your day. For more healthy recipes and tips, visit us at knowledgeyourhealth.com. We're here to support your journey towards a healthier and happier you. Cheers to a brighter morning.